Hi. Today let's learn how to solve one-step inequality equation, right? So first of all, what is inequality? Whenever in any equation you see either greater than sign, less than sign, or greater than equal to sign, or less than or equal to sign, then that equation is called inequality. Right? So today we will learn how to solve one-step inequality questions. So let's see the first question. So you are given b minus 7 is less than 12. Right? What you want to find? You want to find value of b. It means from the left side, you have to get rid of this minus 7. How I can get rid of this minus 7? If I will add 7 here. But whatever changes I am doing on the left side of the equation, same changes I have to do on the right side of the equation. So I will add 7 here also. So what I will get, minus 7 and plus 7 will become 0. So I will get b is less than 12 plus 7 is 19. It means b can have any value which is less than 19. So let's mark this answer on the number line. So first I will draw the number line. Let's say this is my number line. On this number line, I will mark 19. Now what we are saying, that value of b will be less than 19, right? So if value of b is less than 19, you have to move towards left side. b is not equal to 19. Means in your answer, 19 is not included. If in the answer 19 is not included, you will put here open circle. Open circle means this answer is not included in your all the values of b, right? So this arrow is going up to negative infinity. If I want to write the answer in bracket, I will use small bracket, and the answer is going up to minus infinity, and it is going up to till 19. So whenever any value is not included in the answer, I will use small bracket. If any value is included in the answer, I will use square bracket. That I will show you in the next question. So in the second question, you are given 8 is greater than or equal to n minus 6. Here what I want to find? I want to find value of n. So how I can get rid of this minus 6? If I want to get rid of this minus 6, what I will do, I will just add 6 here. Minus 6 plus 6 will become 0. But whatever I am adding on the right side, same thing I have to add on the left side. So 8 plus 6 will be 14 is greater than or equal to minus 6 plus 6 will become 0, and here we are just left with n. Now, if I am saying that 14 is greater than or equal to n, just opposite of it is also true. I can say that n is less than or equal to 14, right? Like for example, if I say 3 is greater than 2, so I can say that 2 is less than 3, right? Both statements are same. Either I will say 3 is greater than 2 or 2 is smaller than 3, right? So now I want to show my answer on the number line. So here I will write my answer, right? I will draw the number line. On the number line, I will mark 14. Now, n can have any value less than 14. So if it is less than, you have to move towards left side. It is also equal to 14. So if it is also equal to 14, 14 will be included in your answer. So you have to use here dark circle. So whenever equal to sign will be there, you have to use dark circle. Whenever equal to sign is not there, you have to use open circle. Now again, if same answer I want to show in brackets in set form, how I will show, this arrow is going up to minus infinity. So I will write here minus infinity. And the answer is up to 14. 14 is included, so I will use square bracket. If 14 is not included, if there was an open circle, I will use small bracket. And minus infinity, I don't know what is value of infinity, so infinity is not included, I will use small bracket. With infinity, always there will be a small bracket, right? Okay, now let's see the next question. So in the next question, you are given 9x greater than or equal to 90, right? In this question, again, what I will say, I want to find value of x. I want to get rid of that 9, right? So how I can get rid of this 9? See, 9 and x, between there, no sign is there. It means it is multiplication, right? It is 9 multiplied by x. 9 multiplied by x is 9x. So inverse of multiplication is division. So if I want to get rid of this 9, both sides of the inequality, I will divide by 9. So 9 divided by 9 will be 1. 1 multiplied by x will be x greater than or equal to 90 divided by 10. 90 divided by 9 will be 10. It means x can have any value greater than 10. Now I want to write my answer. So again, I will draw the number line. I will mark somewhere here 10. So I am saying that x is greater than 10. Whenever x will be greater than 10, I will move towards right side. X is also equal to 10. So since x is also equal to 10, I will put a dark circle. In the previous question also I said whenever there will be equal to sign, you have to put a dark circle. Now how I will write my answer? My answer is starting from 10. 10 is included, so I will use square bracket. And it is going up to infinity, positive infinity. With infinity, always you will use small bracket. Right? Okay. Let's see the next question. Okay. So next question is k by 4 is less than or equal to 5. Now here k and 4, they are in division. It is k divided by 4. Inverse of division is multiplication. So what I will do, I will just write the inequality one more time. And I will say that if I want to find value of k, I want to get rid of this 4. If I want to get rid of this 4, I will multiply 4 both sides. So when it is in division, just inverse of division is multiplication. So you will multiply 4 both sides. So 4 and 4 will cancel out. What you will get? K is less than or equal to 20. Right? So now we will write the answer. First, we will show the answer on the number line. So I will draw the number line. I will mark here 20. Now what I am saying, that k can have any value less than 20. Less than 20 means I have to move towards left side up to negative infinity. And k is also equal to 20. So since k is equal to 20, I will use dark circle. Right? My answer is starting from negative infinity. So I will start my answer from negative infinity and it is going up to 20. 20 is included in the answer. You will use square bracket. Right? Okay, now we will see one last question which is very important. Right? See, whenever we solve an algebraic equation and algebraic inequalities, all rules are same except one rule. There is one extra rule in solving algebraic inequality. Now, what is that rule? Let me take one question. Suppose you are given minus 3x is greater than 6. Right? You have to find value of x. Whenever you are solving inequality, whenever you are finding value of x, right, you want to get rid of any number with x, right? So in this case, I want to get rid of this minus 3. If I want to get rid of this minus 3, both sides of the equation, I will divide with minus 3. But one thing which we have to remember while solving inequality, whenever you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, right? You can write this in your notebook. Whenever you are dividing or you are multiplying with a negative number, you have to flip over the inequality sign. Flip over inequality sign. Right? This is the important rule that you have to remember. Right? Not in addition and subtraction, right? If you are adding or subtracting a negative number, no changes. But while solving inequality, whenever you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, you have to flip over the inequality sign. Like here, I am dividing with negative number. So what I have to do, I have to flip over this inequality sign. This greater than sign will change to less than sign. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 will be 1. 1 multiplied by x will be x. 6 divided by minus 3 will be minus 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and minus sign will come as it is. Right? Now same way I will show my answer. So again I will draw the number line. I will mark here minus 2. X is less than minus 2, so you will move towards left side. X is not equal to minus 2, so you will use open circle. Whenever there will be open circle, you will use small bracket. Here it will be minus 2 and it is going up to negative infinity. So this will be your answer, right? See, if arrow is going towards left side, means your answer will go up to negative infinity. If the arrow is going towards right side, your answer will go up to positive infinity, right? So just this last rule, don't forget. I will just take one last question so that it will be more clear. So suppose you are given x minus x, or just a minute. So let's say x divided by minus 2 is less than 5. Right? Now, I will just write this equation one more time. If I want to solve this inequality, I want to get rid of this minus 2. Minus 2 is in division. X divide by minus 2. Inverse of division is multiplication. So both sides I will multiply with minus 2. Right? So again the same rule. Whenever I will multiply or divide with a negative number, I have to flip over the sign. So if it is less than sign, I have to change it to greater than sign. Minus 2 will cancel out. X, here I am just left with x. 5 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 10. So if I want to write my answer, I will just draw the number line. I will mark here minus 10. I am saying that x will be greater than minus 10. So if it is greater than sign, I will move towards right side. But x is not equal to sign. Whenever equal to sign is not there, I will use open circle, right? How I will write the answer? My answer is starting from minus 10. It is open circle, so I will use small bracket. And it is going up to positive infinity. With infinity, always small bracket. Right? So these are the different types of question in which we have just done one step to solve the inequality. In the next class, we will see two-step inequality questions. Okay, thank you. Bye.